Saving money in 2025 might seem challenging with rising costs, but it's absolutely possible with the right strategies. In this video, we'll cover actionable tips to help you save more and stress less about your finances. Let's start with the basics. Track your expenses. Use apps or a simple spreadsheet to monitor where your money is going. Awareness is the first step to cutting back on unnecessary spending. Next, create a realistic budget. In 2025, it's all about focusing on needs versus wants. Allocate money to essentials first, like housing, groceries, and transportation. Then, set aside a portion for savings before you spend on non-essentials. Reduce your subscription expenses. With so many streaming services and monthly plans, it's easy to overspend. Review all your subscriptions, cancel the ones you don't use, and take advantage of annual plans for discounts. Take advantage of cashback and reward programs. Many credit cards, apps, and retailers now offer cashback on purchases. Use these strategically to save money on everyday expenses like groceries or gas, but make sure to pay off your credit card balance in full to avoid interest charges. Meal planning is another powerful way to save. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can reduce food waste and avoid the temptation of dining out. Cooking at home is not only healthier, but significantly cheaper in the long run. Shop smarter by waiting for sales and using discount codes. In 2025, tools like browser extensions and apps make it easier than ever to find the best deals. Always compare prices before making big purchases. Embrace energy-saving habits. With rising utility costs, small changes like turning off lights, using energy-efficient appliances, and lowering your thermostat can save you hundreds over the year. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account every time you get paid. Even a small, consistent amount adds up over time and helps you build a financial cushion. Finally, focus on building an emergency fund. Saving 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses will give you peace of mind and prevent you from relying on credit during unexpected situations. Saving money in 2025 isn't about sacrificing everything you enjoy, it's about making smarter choices. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. If you found these tips helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone looking to save more this year. Let's make 2025 the year you take control of your finances.